day to Ninh Bình. It's sunnier today, so that's good. There was a little confusion yesterday with our van driver, but we were able to figure it out with a little charades. So yeah, we're gonna be back on our bikes, or on our motorbike. Here's the view. That's the shared rooms, and you also have the option for a private room. And this is the pool. This is where we're staying today. Full day ahead, boat tour among other things.
Ticket all the same. So it's 250 per person. That includes the boat ride. I'm not really sure what is included.
So let's go.
Yeah.
So there is an underpass going to the boat station. So you don't have to cross the highway. There's a big highway above this. Currently waiting for 2 more people for Route 3 because we need 4 people on a boat. That's the minimum.
Where is the front? This one. Oh, turn.
There's also umbrellas provided. We have a couple now with us. This is the operation. Ano na siya, hybrid na ng call. Hindi tilapia.
Hindi mo daliri. Nakagating ka niya.
So this is the what temple? That temple?
Din something temple. Or that temple. So this is the Dot temple, and that's the Dot. And it's 1,000 meters long. It's the longest cave in Trang An.
Oh, yun o. Meron pang bago. Pwede pala yun o, na may bago pang
Pero sobrang tagal daw eh.
Yeah. Diba? That was 1 kilometer of cave.
Yes.
This is the Cloud Cave.
May stand.
Tali niya.
Bởi vậy mà nhà thơ Hoàng Quang Tuận khi về với Ninh Bình có viết một bài thơ thế này. Đó là dòng sông Trực Ba đi quanh năm nước
Tayo
sông
na,
xanh
hindi ko memorize.
nên được gọi là.
Mamaya nakalagay naman.
Bên cạnh đó thì
Anh đeo mắt chiến đây là gì? Lan.
na naman si Wugwe.
Ito na.
Ay, ang galing na mga bata. O, nagpipicture.
Yan gagawin ko next time na babalik tayo. Magpo-photograph. Hindi mataas oh. Ayaw magbayad ng 15,000
Kaya nga po nagtatrabaho.
pero nagsagwan.
Para po may pambayad ng 15. Kailangan po kasi kaming pera. Mag-withdraw na po. Ay, ano, wala na po.
Boat tour is done. It's so chill here in this tour, and we are so sleepy, but it's really good. Props to this guy. He paddled for more than 2 hours.
3. Ay, yeah. For more than, because that includes the stops, the 3 hour.
Yeah,
We started at
you
9.
need to try this.
Chicken things nga eh.
Chicken things, hindi naman chicken thigh.
Gayo.
Malaki no? Chicken.
Chicken.
Okay.
Na may sweet bread. We are here at Baidin Pagoda parking lot. So it was really challenging to find where we are gonna park and how to go to the pagoda. So please don't follow the maps.
Go straight.
Go straight, look for the parking lot. There are
Turn on it right now.
Yeah, there are a lot. There will be electric cars. Electric cars that will bring you there. A lot of tourists are getting lost. So, yeah, hopefully this is worth it. We asked some. We asked one of the tourists coming back or going to the parking lot, and we asked her whether it was worth it, and she said yes. So let's see. So we're now going at the ticket counter, which I think will provide an electric car going to the pagoda. So see you. Bye.
$60,000 for this ride. Electric car to the pagoda, and then
No, electric car to the destination. Because electric car to the pagoda without the stupa. The
No
stupa is the tower. So 60,000 without the stupa ticket, and then 100,000 if you want to go to the stupa, and then 250 if you want like a electric car hop on hop off with stupa entrance and foot soak, something herbal foot soak.
yeah.
Cảnh quan môi trường, cảnh
We stopped here. We don't really know why, but this is the start of the walk. It's covered, so I guess
yeah, you don't really need a hop on hop off, then you will not be able to see everything, right? Ito si ano to? Si Gary. Unibro.
there's a snake. Ang bilis niya, oh. I don't know what kind of snake is this. It's really fast. And it's I'm not trying to disturb it or anything. Okay. It's in the grass now. And it's not trying to disturb anyone.
Na-videohan mo yun, yung snake?
Oh yeah. So cool.
Aabot na yan ng lagpas ng Vietnam kung ganyan. Ganyan kalaki.
No?
Need to visit the plane in Delhi.
Hindi ko din naman pala makuhanan. Never mind. Yoo-hoo! Oh, makita. Thank you so much. High five. High five. Thank you. One for the books. We got
Lost.
not necessarily, but we're here. We're alive.
Oh yes, not necessarily because we were on the right path. It was just close.
Yeah, we went to the entry point and
One
then
of the entry points.
there was nothing there. We had to call the office. It's already closed. As you can see, everything is closed. So we were there at the street light in the wrong tunnel. No one.
And then there's no light anymore.
No light anymore. We can't walk because if you walk, there's really no light to guide you. So yeah, that's
so
it.
before we went to because there's 2 entry point and 2 pickup. So there's the one in the main entrance and then one near the pagoda. So before we went to the pagoda, I asked when is the last shuttle. They said 9. Okay, fine. On our way to the pickup point 29, we asked again whether that's the pickup point 29, and they said yes. They didn't stop us. So we went there and there was no electric shuttle, and I think everything was shut down. So we decided to walk. But on our way to the parking lot, the light stopped. The street light stopped. So
So yeah,
I was
limited.
scared.
Limited street lights, and it's not necessarily bad communication, it's just that it's limited.
Yes.
You can't really blame them.
And I understand the language barrier, but it could have helped if they have lots of sign that, you know, the pickup point 29 stops at what time, or they announce it.
Yeah.
So I got scared. There was no light, and then it's getting late.
not necessarily late, but it's really, really dark there.
Yes.
It's only 7:30, but it's just dark. And yeah, you
Yeah,
can.
but I'm not really that comfortable being late away, like 15 kilometers away from our homestay.
Yeah. So yeah, this calls for a beer. So
Yeah.
definitely beer. Beer.
It's like what happened to us when we were in China.
Oh,
Tagal.
but hindi. Well, that is different because we almost got lost, but also separated.
Yes.
This time we're together, so I think that's, I guess,
I
a
was also
plus.
scared. But that was like extra scary.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how we ended the day here in Biden. Pagoda experience. So yeah, on our way now to the motorcycle parking,
So-
and I believe the only the only motorcycle park there now is us.
So it was really tough going here. It was really challenging going here. And it's extra challenging going out.
So yeah, just take precaution. This is really, really sketchy. One of the sketchiest in a
Sketchy between like going to the parking and then going to the pagoda.
Look at that. That's the only motorcycle. Oh no, there's other. So, but then again, it's already blocked. So you're not allowed to enter anymore. So yeah, and now it's free parking. No one is here to get our money now for the parking fee. So I guess that's a plus. There's always a win.
No, she collected already.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Then yeah. So yeah. Precaution, my friends. And it's all part of the traveling. So I guess it's
But I was about to cry.
yeah, I guess it's just one of those. You win some, you lose some. Still at the end of the day you win because you get to get back to your motorcycle parking and you get to get back to your hostel, drink some beer. There you go. So yeah. See you. This has been the Biden or Ninh Binh Day 2 edition. So see you. Ninh Binh. And then here's the stay. We're going back to Hanoi. And tomorrow, Sapa.